Is Python still relevant for Excel users in 2024? The answer is a resounding yes. The importance of data analysis with Python for Excel users continues to be paramount in 2024. It's a reflection of the ongoing trend where organizations are shifting from traditional spreadsheet-based analysis to more advanced data analytics tools. The reason? The exponential growth of data volume and complexity. Here's the thing. Excel alone may struggle to handle large data sets, perform advanced analytics, or extract actionable insights. Enter Python. With robust libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Python equips Excel users with powerful capabilities for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. This means Excel users can tackle larger and more complex data challenges, but it doesn't stop there. Python's scripting capabilities enable automation of repetitive tasks, complex data transformations, and customized analysis workflows. The result? Enhanced efficiency and reduced manual effort compared to Excel-based analysis. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with frequent data updates or multiple data sets. And then there's the world of advanced analytics and machine learning. Python's extensive ecosystem includes libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Excel users can leverage Python to perform sophisticated analyses like predictive analytics, clustering, regression, and even natural language processing. This expands their analytical capabilities beyond what Excel alone can offer. But Python brings more than just analytical power to the table. Python integrates seamlessly with other data sources, databases, and software applications. This facilitates data extraction, transformation, and loading processes. Python's scalability is crucial for handling diverse data sources, real-time data streams, and large-scale analytics projects. These are areas where Excel may struggle to manage efficiently. And let's not forget career advancement, proficiency in Python. For data analysis opens up new career opportunities and enhances competitiveness in the data science and analytics job market. Employers are increasingly placing value on candidates with Python skills for data manipulation, visualization, statistical analysis, and machine learning. This makes Python a valuable skill set for Excel users looking to advance their careers in data-related roles. In 2024, Python is more than just a nice-to-have for Excel users. It's a must-have. Mastery in data analysis with Python complements Excel skills and equips users to enhance their data analytics capabilities, improve efficiency, and stay competitive in an evolving data-driven landscape. So, for Excel users, Python is not just relevant in 2024, it's essential. If you found this video helpful, and you're convinced that Python is essential for Excel users in 2024 and beyond, show us some love by hitting that like button. Want to stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech world? Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting videos. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of data analytics and beyond. Thank you for watching, and remember, mastering Python could be your next big career move. As we come to a close on this insightful journey through Python and its indispensability for Excel users, we want to leave you with a few key points to remember. Firstly, Python's integration with Excel has revolutionized the way we analyze data, bringing advanced analytics and machine learning to the fingertips of users. Secondly, Python's scalability provides growth opportunities, making it a valuable skill for career advancement in the tech industry. Remember, it's never too late to start learning Python, and there are abundant resources available to help you on your journey, including more content from our channel. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve deeper into Python's applications in the world of big data. Until then, keep crunching those numbers.